Downtown. I hold a monthly subscription called Specialization Foot Detailing. Yes, I mean detailing, but this detailing is different. You're going to receive your nails clipped and your nails buffed, your feet rubbed, and more. And when she's done, you won't recognize your feet. Yes, you won't recognize your feet, because I would never ever let anyone see these feet, socks only, for 30 years. But the past 3 years, I've been seeing Mrs. Olivia. My feet are definitely not the feet you see today, but now I don't mind having my toes out. Yes, I saw a podiatrist, but the problems were the price and having to wait 2 to 3 months to go back. So nails grew back to their original problem I was trying to get rid of. I go every month and use her all-natural products. I let these feet out and leave the socks at home. Visit the Barbershop. SPABERSHOP.
Wow, so you guys, once the nail matrix is damaged, it's damaged, but it can be repaired, and the damage is not permanent always. So our non-invasive specialized foot care service, combined with the routine use of our natural products, plus with some lifestyle changes, can reverse this condition, and it improves the social life, plus possessing a positive self-image within.